Hello students, greeting from Vikrant Group of Institution. This is Professor Ashwani Pal. I'll be teaching you financial accounting, financial management and many more interesting subjects. As you know, world's richest person, Warren Buffett says, price is what you pay and value is what you get. So this is all about understanding of business, what we teach over here. Financial management and financial accounting is all about some practical aspects in real life business. For that purpose, we are conducting live projects in some renowned companies like ITC, TCS, etc. Apart from studies, we also ensure that students should participate in co-curricular activities. Conferences and seminars are required to update our knowledge on a regular basis. That's why we are conducting workshops, seminars and conferences for all-round development of the students. You all know, success comes from outside the comfort zone and fitness is the backbone of all the working. Looking forward to see you into the classroom. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
Hello students, I am Dr. Ankit Ladha. I completed doctorate in management stream and specialized in operations. So going to teach you operations management and related subjects. Students in operations management, we are discussing about the location, layout, quality control and about the scheduling of machines. All these are covered in this subject. Apart from teaching, we work on betterment of your career, like we are giving live projects to you, conducting internships, tie up with industries for on-job training and placements. Our management courses, that is BBA and MBA, are approved by Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya University and are affiliated by All India Council for Technical Education, that is AIC. Hope to see you in Vikrant family very soon. Waiting for you.
I, Arshadayu, HOD Management Department, welcome you in Vikrant. I will teach you marketing management, managerial skills subjects. Managerial skills subjects help you in industry. Here you learn teamwork, empowerment, delegation, conducting a meeting. Student, we will be conducting campuses and job fair for you. At Vikrant, we will be conducting industrial visits for you, where you will be learning operation management. At Vikrant, we are conducting mock campuses as well as happening activities. Through happening activities, students are motivated and involved in studies. As a management HOD, I don't take chances for my student. I want my student to take part each and every sports activity. Vikrant is close to nature. We have 16-acre lush green campus waiting for you. Hope to see you in Vikrant.
A greeting of the day and a very good morning to all of you. I am Professor Subhash Masih from Vikrant Group of Institutions in Indore, and I'll be teaching you Indian legal system, research methodology, and also I'll be talking about ethics and Indian ethos management. Friends, and if you are serious about research in the future, I'll be training you and teaching you in research methodology all the intricacies of how research is done and how you could go ahead with your higher studies and even your doctorate, how to approach it. So friend, it will be a great opportunity to be with you, learn with you and research the methodologies with you. Friends, I will be also teaching you some very interesting subjects like ethics and Indian ethos management, in which starting from Ramayana, Mahabharata, management lessons of Mahabharata, we'll be doing many things from Upanishads and so many things. So friends, I hope to see you soon at Vikrant, to follow me, to be with me in a journey that would take us to great places. Friends, what we aim for our students at Vikrant is that they should have a real college life at Vikrant. The 3 years when they come, they are naive, but when they leave Vikrant, they are professionals. At Vikrant, we aim to develop your linguistic skills and your debating capabilities so that you may develop that extra edge. We ensure that fitness is a matter of habit. It is rightly said, जो fit है वही hit है. Friends, when we talk about fitness, we believe in it, and we do ensure that our faculties also get involved in sports, actively involved in sports, and are standing side by side with the students. So please do come, waiting for you at Vikrant. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.
Hello friends, I am Sakshi Kasat Kaushik from Vikrant Group of Institutions. I will be teaching you human resource management, organizational behavior, business environment. Along with this, I will be teaching you marketing management and other subjects too. I will be teaching you human resource management because I think humans are more complicated than anything else. So that's why it is an art to handle humans in an efficient way. Friends, I will be also working on your personality and language aspect to help and improve upon it. We don't take any chances at Vikrant, so we ensure that our students have finishing skills, etiquettes and good manner. As a Vikrantian, we ensure our student is mentally fit as well as physically fit. Hope you will be joining me at Vikrant.
Hello friends, I am Arvind Supad, Assistant Professor in Vikrant Group of Institution in Management Department. I will be teaching you Information Technology, Retail Management and Indian Financial System. I will be teaching you Retail Management, how to sell a product and how the consumer behave. You will be part of other activity also. We ensure that our students are IT ready. Hope to see you in the class soon.